this? What's this? What's this? Sit. Really? Didn't expect that. Go and get it. I've chucked it, man. Fucking divvy. Go and get it, then. Go and get it. Here, numb nuts. Here. There you go. This. Go and get it. Come here then. Fetch. Really? That's it. Good lad. I'm gonna run away from him now. Go and get it. Teddy. Oh, he's left it, man. One absolute first cock. There he is. You left it? Get a cockapoo. Good idea. Yeah. Be fun. Yeah. Brings back everything for you. Yeah. Bullshit. Nah, man. He's alright. He's just a bit daft. And your son? Really? You made me walk back for this, eh? Go and get it. What a cock. Oh no, you'll fetch it. Go and get it. Dickhead. Go and get it. Fool, yeah. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Right, sit. Really? Wasn't expecting that again. Sit. Lie down, play dead. As if. Go and get it. Oh, nearly went. Fetch. Get it. No. Go and get it. Whoops. Yeah. Will he fetch it? He will. Good lad. How then? Really? You gotta leave it there for us? Eh? When I realise it's gone, I've got to turn back and walk. Go and get it. Fetch. In my hand. 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 Oh. In my hand. That's it. That's it. Go and get it. Go and get it. Haha, sucker. Right, anyway, today's walk is in the unknown. I've been watching all my life, but the place I'm going to now I've never been to. It's on the railway tracks, well, the old railway tracks. Not there now, obviously. Could be the new metro system, the Tyne-Way metro, eventually. Been seeing that for years though, but we'll see. Anyway, gonna go in the unknown now, so that means Teddy, lead on. Sit. 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 Oh, the real Teddy's come out to play now. Sit. 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 There you go. That's the real Teddy. Dickhead. Right, he's panting pretty heavily. I've done mile. So a little refreshment for him. Bit of water. There you go, son. Get that down here. We go along that path there. We're alongside Rosewood Hall, if anyone's familiar with it. Just alongside Sulgrave, heading towards the big Amazon factory. You want some more? Get some more, son? No, I think it's done. Are you sure? You want some? Here a bee somewhere. There it is. That is. Pour that out. And that's it. Right, we're going to go walk along there. I don't know how long it'll take to get along there, but we'll see. You all set, son? Good lad? Leave you off your leader. Good lad. Can you this like? You ready? You ready? Go get it! Where's it gone? Oh, I ain't getting that. Come on, son. He's stuck. Rest in peace, little rubber toy. He's it's not worth going after. That's a bit. I didn't realise it was on that little cut there. Like, never mind. It's down there somewhere. It's not worth getting. It's not worth picking up. There's any way, but if I went down there, he'd follow us. And look at that down there. It's all bogland. If I went down there and went and got it, he would follow us down, and maybe he would get a bit of difficulty. So I'm making the decision to leave it. It was only a £2 toy. It's not worth it. So I'm leaving it behind. Unfortunately, I know you're supposed to take your belongings, like, but honestly, I'm not going to get into difficulty with the dog. So sensible, I'd say. Anyway, there'll be sticks along here I can throw from, maybe. What a cock. First glimpse of the new Amazon plant, which was just opened like not so long ago. To my left. There, I can zoom in. There it is. Pretty big. Still going along there. Try and get the zoom right. Someone's house there. Oh, Union Jack. Looking good. But this one just pees himself all the time. You can't put a drink in a minute for him. I haven't brought my own drink. If anyone watches my videos when I'm out about, you'll know that I'm prone to do that. Could have been really serious in the lakes once when I went to do Blueberry Fell, and it was a 9-mile walk, and it was really hot, and I was struggling in the heat. Forgot my water, didn't I? Anyone wants to go in the water, go for a hike, make sure you take your water. Plenty of beer cans along here, like. There's one there. I suppose there's somewhere to come for you if you want to camp, be honest, like. Another drink time for him. Hey Ted, go on. His third drink. He's breathing kind of heavily. I've only done 1.5 miles. Get another drink, son. Get a drink. Obviously takes notice, doesn't he? Get a drink, son. Get another drink. As he knocks it over. Just, there you go. Good lad. That's it. That'll do you. That's it. Ready to head off again? I can see the road. Right, I can see the cars going past. Still seems miles away. Look at the state of this. Now, how many cans are there? How many bottles? Teddy, away from there. Someone's had a fire. Been camping, haven't they? Had all these cans. That's ridiculous. Go camping and leave no trace, man. For Christ's sake. That's just wrong, that, like. That was some. Right, we're at the end of the cycle part where the railway tracks. Now we're heading towards Amazon, then home. We've done just under 2 miles. That's roughly about the same going back as well. Going like a circle. So he's happy. Done his lead now. So it's been good so far. Apart from losing his Tory he had. What's the matter with him? What's the matter? Eh? Teddy? What's the matter? Where's your mum? Where's your mum? Where's your mum? Where's Jake? Come on then. Walking alongside Amazon now. It's massive, this, like, it's huge. There's one down the E1 near Darlington. Don't know if this one's any bigger or not. Can't you size, like, I know a few people who left my work to go there. I don't know if they're still there or not. We'll see. People just leave them right now. Can you? Teddy? I think he's getting tired now. He's on a short lead now. Roadside. Going along the E194, which is coming from South Shields. And that road leads towards the E1. So, which is like only about a mile away from here, a mile and a half or so. Going away from Amazon now. So, another 1.5 miles or so. Done. 2.5 miles so far. We've got what, 1.5 miles to go, say. Be a nice bit behaviour, haven't you, son? Eh? Obviously when he lost his toy, he went down looking for it and he got stuck early in the video, you see. And I just had to pick some branches out of his hair, which wasn't good because we were proper stuck. And luckily, after a while, he let me do it. He let me get me all out. It was pretty uncomfortable, but he's happy now. Teddy? Teddy? What's this? Sit? Sit? See, that's all he does, normally. Teddy, what's this? Nope. Nah, that's the usual Teddy. Earlier on I was surprised when he sat for us. Heading up here now, we come to a roundabout. And then you go left at the roundabout and that's sort of like heads home. I'll let him off his lead again before he gets to the house. Because we're going through woodland again. Oh, happy days. Right, he's up his lead again. He was just before, like, but I've had to put back on him because there was a cyclist going past, and he'll just chase and chase and chase. And that. With me, he would anyway. With Andre, I'm not so sure. And he's back on. He's happy again. George Washington golf courses just do them trees. Somewhere I used to play a lot when I was a kid. Not so much as an adult. I played once or twice as an adult. And I wasn't bad actually when I was younger. But now, my last round I did there was terrible. Maybe I'll take it up again, I don't know. Awesome. He's just walking alongside us now. He's happy. Hey, come on, son. Come on, son. Listen. It's been a nice day here, like. It's pretty mild. And it's sun. Got the photo of them. He very rarely poses for me. Andre, she gets loads of photographs. A little proper poser. But for me, it's just all over the place. On your son. Hey, on you. Hey, I got one. I bet you're cursing, are you? Right, I'm not far to go now. Another mile or so. We have got a stick. Go and get it. Oh, cheers. Yeah. He won't let you go. Really? Ow. Ah, I got it. Whoops, seriously. Look at it. Hey! Just. Good boy. No, he won't give us it back. Right, this is the last bit we're doing. This is another old railway track, I think, or road. Takes us straight up onto the road over there. Takes up the Springwell. On the right hand side there, through the gap, is the grounds of my old school. It's been knocked down. Ulster Comprehensive School. I went there, I lost count how many years ago it was now. It's a college now, Washington College. I've heard that there's going to be houses getting built on there soon, which I'm sure the locals might not be happy with it. I'm a local myself, but it's out of shot, so I'm not really bothered, to be honest. I'm only half a mile away from here, well, not even that, quarter of a mile. So anyway, up here, go up the end of this road here and turn left. And let's see, quarter of a mile up. So this route I've took is from my house at Usworth, go down towards Usworth Hall, through the subway, through this little estate here, and then on the railway tracks, and then on the Fallsview Way, where Amazon is. Head back alongside the 194, and then down the 195, new 195, Northumberland Way, to where I am now. It's taken 2 hours, but I've stood still a lot, taking photos and resting and giving the dog a drink and all that stuff. But it's been alright. There's the school there. I don't know if it still is, but it was being used as a COVID test centre. As you can see by them tents over there. I can't really get it focused, can I? It's over there anyway. And I'm going to head off now. Andrea wants a chippy for dinner, so that's exactly what I'm going to do, is then chippies open. Are they open Sundays? We'll see. End of the video now. See ya.